Oops. Thanks very much, Duke. So what I'm pleased to let you know, and I'm happy for you to share this announcement, this exciting announcement with your Knowledge Bridge network, is that as a result of the fantastic efforts that KBN did for the 24-hour challenge, to the end of this month, so right through to the end of May, the 31st of May, we will issue a 12-day challenge. And the 12-day challenge will basically allow those that either have enrolled but haven't completed the micro-credential course on Pitching Research Matters, so those that are currently enrolled or those that are yet to enroll, you have from today basically 12 days to complete that course free. So it will be so this is like a scholarship for your KBN members. Anyone that takes up this opportunity and completes the course by the 31st of May 2022 achieves a certificate of completion issued by Bond University. They will have met this 12-day challenge. Now, what I'm really excited to share with the KBN, and as a result of our discussions today, is that is just the starting point for a series of phases that will lead through early into 2023, the winner of a number of events that we will work together with you, the KBN, to enter the semi-final round of the IGPRC 2023. Now, that is the ultimate of many value drivers that we've discussed, and there'll be a range of levels that we will work through 2022 that will provide a certificate of success and achievement for the KBM members that have, well, the entry point is you must complete the micro-credential. But then there will be badges around this certificate that will involve things. Well, the starting point will be the personal pitch. So we will invite those that have completed the micro-credential to create a personal pitch around their research. That will occur, we think, June, July of this year. And what I'm thinking of there is that it should be around a particular purpose. At least this would be the ideal. So what would be examples of a particular purpose? One is like a mini PhD application. Another could be like a mini PhD proposal. Another could be like, well, for some of you, an early draft of a grant application. Now, the really exciting thing that we've discussed and we will put into action is once we have those personal pitch entries, we have some coaches from the VBN network who will vie for the select quality level of pitches in those applications. And right now we're thinking of a top 20. So for example, if there are 5 coaches, they will be each looking for 4 proteges, the proteges that have submitted the personal pitches in that earlier phase. So there's some details that will come later, but once we have the top 20, there will be a certificate badge available for that. There will be then a period of several months, probably later in the year, October, thereabouts through to December, where the coaches will provide some boot camp sessions to improve the pitch of their proteges, their 4 proteges. And once that has taken place, we will then probably in early 2023 have the coaches decide who of their 4 proteges is the one that goes forward into the final. So those in the KBN network that have seen the TV show The Voice, our plan is to mirror a number of the design features of the voice in terms of this process that we're putting forward to you as far as the research plans of your group. So probably in February 2023, we will have an online final. If there are 5 coaches, there will be 1 representative from each of the coaches, and we will have an oral pitch for those finalists. There'll be an international panel drawn from the Inspires network, and we'll come up with an overall winner and a runner-up. Now, while there's some uncertainty about the value that we can, or the awards that we can make available at the time, I'm pretty clear in my mind the winner and the runner-up of that process will be semi-finalists, automatically semi-finalists into next year's Inspires Global Pitching Research Competition 2023. We also are very hopeful that 1 or more journals will be interested in commissioning a publication from the finalists as well as the overall winner of the competition. There'll be more details around this coming soon, but my journal, the Pacific Basin Finance Journal, will be very interested in taking on board and commissioning or fostering a publication that is finance focused and has an Asia Pacific focus. So that should not be hard for Vietnam researchers, that in the months unfolding in 2023, there will ultimately be a publication for that winner. I'm hopeful that we can entice 1 or more accounting journals to be party to this. More details will come in future, but this is an exciting initiative, and I'm very pleased that you can publicize this far and wide throughout Vietnam and throughout the KBN network. What we're doing here is very innovative. It's something that we're not offering extensively, at least not now, and this is like a pilot, and I'm excited to partner and collaborate with KBN on this pilot. I think your members will derive a lot of benefit out of this. So thanks very much, and good luck, and stay tuned.
Thank you, Robert. It's so excited. All right. So we spread the news, and we going to start the Trial Days Challenge tomorrow. Yes.
Excellent.
So
oh,
yes,
that'd be great.
so 18th of May until 30th of May.
30.
Yeah. Around that. Okay. Right. All right. So yes. All right. We can't wait to participate, to organize the pitching coach game show, right? Which is a version based on the format of the voice, but of course it's different, different team, different color, and the final outcome is number 1, publication in high-ranked journals. Number 2, a semi-finalist or finalist into the global competition, as well as potential some of the master by research or PhD scholarship in a number of universities, including VONG University, for qualified candidates.
Yes, absolutely, the potential, and don't forget the value created by the coaching process itself. So you have a raw pitch that you enter in phase 2, as it were, and then if you progress through, you should benefit significantly from the expert coaching that you get in that later stage.
Yep. All right. So for those who have enrolled in the pitching research methods, make sure you complete the course in the next 12 days. Right? 12 days means it's only 1 hour per day. Right? 1 hour per day, you can easily complete the course. And we know that there are some candidates, right, have completed the course in less than 12 hours, right? And even, in 1 day. if we see from the system that, you know, a few participants already completed the course in few hours, especially those who have attended Professor Robert Faff webinar in September. The last few workshops offered by BIN during our time of the Vietnam Pitching Research Competition in January and February, as well as the recent webinar last week, webinar number 18 by Robert as well, right? So for those candidates, I believe that it will take you less than 12 hours. Like one of our speakers, he said that because he, Dr. Bạch Quang Vũ, because he already, you know, studied the framework to prepare for the competition. He completed, you know, the course in half an hour, and you know, it's through that by the time that he signed up, you know, with the timestamp of the email until the timestamp that he got the certificate is exactly 24 minutes, right? Okay, all right, and I know that Ben also completed the course in a few hours, yeah, 2 hours. Ben, you unmute. All right, and I completed the course in less than 5 hours, but I split into 3 days. Yeah, and I did it because I really go through everything. So I want to make sure that I know, you know, what are in the course. So I did it in less than 5 hours. Yeah.
Excellent. Well, this is an exciting initiative. As I said, without the energy coming from you, Duc and Ben, I don't know where we'd be, but let's see. I'm hoping we're going to get a big engagement now. On the, you know, the first phase is that 12-day challenge. So we need as many completions as possible, because if you don't meet the 12-day challenge, you can't progress further into this exciting, the pitching coach game show, if you like, but really it's a competition.
Okay, all right. So the condition is complete the 12 days pitching research matter PRM challenge to help you to go further into the pitching coach game show.
Excellent.
Right. Okay. All right. Bye for now.
Bye bye.